In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Adobe Acrobat Pro subscription. First, open your browser and go straight to the Adobe account page. Sign in using your Adobe ID and password. If you're prompted to verify your identity, just follow the on-screen security steps to complete the sign-in. Make sure you're using the same account that's billed for Acrobat Pro so you're working on the correct subscription. Once you're in your account, look for the navigation that mentions Plans and Payment. Depending on your layout, this might be across the top or in a left-hand sidebar. Click Plans and Payment, then select Plans. If you're on a phone or tablet and don't see these options, switching to a desktop browser can make the menu easier to find. On the Plans page, locate the card that shows your active Adobe Acrobat Pro subscription. If you have multiple Adobe products, double-check the plan name so you don't manage the wrong one. On the Acrobat Pro card, click Manage Plan to open your options. In the Management window, choose Cancel Your Plan. Sometimes the wording may appear as End Your Service. Either option takes you to the cancellation flow for Acrobat Pro. You're not closing your entire Adobe account, just handling this specific subscription. Next, Adobe will ask why you're canceling. Pick the reason that fits best and click Continue. This feedback is mainly for Adobe's internal use and won't affect your ability to cancel. At this point, you may see special offers or alternative plans intended to keep you subscribed, such as a lower price or a different billing model. If you're sure you want to cancel, click No Thanks or Continue to proceed. Accepting an offer will change your plan instead of canceling it, so read each option carefully before moving on. You'll then see a final review screen with the termination details. Take a moment to confirm the end date of your access, whether there's an early cancellation fee for certain annual plans or any refund information if applicable. This page is the last checkpoint to ensure there are no surprises. When everything looks correct, click Confirm Cancellation to finish. Keep the confirmation page open until you see a clear success message. Once it appears, check your email inbox for the official confirmation from Adobe and save that message for your records. It's a good idea to note the effective end date so you know exactly when Acrobat Pro access will stop. That's it. You've successfully canceled your Adobe Acrobat Pro subscription. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the Plans section in your Adobe account and reactivate or choose a different plan at any time.